Bro, I should go there. I guess my mom is mad at me. I might tell my dad though, about later. Yo, what is that? Something's flashing. Hey. Oh, hey there. Bro. Oh, no, I'm out of here.
It is advised to lock all of your doors and windows. Do not open the door for anybody, even if they look like a normal human. We don't have much information about a dangerous situation, but stay vigilant for any suspicious activities. If you see any suspicious activities, please call your local authorities immediately.
When are you going to release the Hampton Bay Bale ceiling fan on YouTube? Ceiling fan on YouTube. Fans are starting to get impatient.
Right there. I'm a Jewish.
Well, what happened to you? You seem out of shape.
Bro, I had to run for my life. There was a unknown form in when I was running. I was trying to run as fast as I can, but that thing was going there. It was hunging like crazy. Please call the police. I'm begging you.
Okay, bro.
Every time I have to buy icebreakers for my mom. My mom doesn't understand emergencies. Mom, turn off the lights and lock the doors.